There's a saying that kids say the darnest things, but I beg to differ because Ninja Man said the darnest things. Watch this.
Hi! Hiya! Hey! Pum! Pum! People dead now! Where we there? Starting gate. Hard DJ, wait. Bust it!
Am I the only one wonder where Ninja get theme lyrics them from? Yo, the man are lyricist and gimme sis. I just made up that word. Anyways, here's why we say that.
Take up me saddle, I'm here ready to ride. Whipping on me, never be can one time. Take up me saddle, I'm here ready to ride. Whipping on me, never go to your bar. You know they are the meaning, go to your bar. You know the dark and go to your bar. Go the dark and get down, go to your bar. Who are you here? Go to me, take up me saddle, I'm here ride. Anything you got.
Yo, the reading me when Ninja I got sit down pan right now or lay down pan. Lyrically, it bad. Somebody need to remake it. Watch what I go on.
Hush your mouth, Eric Ballet stop talk. Here Cobra one like him a one half. I tell people what fish at no talk. But you make me I tell you something. The gang dog and him just come in. 62 gun when me bring in. Right and long it's a bag of killing. Go and go tell them in. Said the Dan dog and naskin. If a boy were ram this morning. Swear to God by this evening. In a boat box when them a go find him boy. That's what we say, me naskin.
You don't know if you like the look of piece of Ninja Man video, just give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, family and exes, subscribe and click the notification bell and forward for me live when we go live. What else? Oh, leave a comment. Bless.